we're gonna create the pages for her and for him. So on top, right click, new file, for her, enter. And let's change the title, for her. Let's create the page, new file, for him, enter. Let's open for him and change the title, for him, enter. Now going back to for her, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna copy paste the table of the references page. So click on any cell, select the table main, Ctrl C for copy, on for her, Ctrl V for paste. I'm gonna delete the current information. Okay. And it shrinks when I click outside. I'm gonna insert a table that is gonna be just 4 rows and 2 columns. So I click on insert table, 4 rows, 2 columns. It's gonna be 100% of where I'm gonna insert it, which is here. And border thickness 0 because I want it to look like it's floating, 0 on the border thickness. 3 pixels for cell padding and 3 pixels for cell spacing. Then OK. I'm gonna call this table for her, and I'm gonna align it to the center. Let's apply a width of 50% for each one just by selecting them with my mouse, and on the width I type 50%, enter, and now each one is 50% width. Let's horizontally, okay, this is gonna be for photos, so it's gonna be horizontally to the center, okay, and vertically to the middle. This is gonna be text, so horizontally to the left, vertically to the top. Again, photos, so horizontally to the center, vertically to the middle. And text, horizontally to the left, vertical to the top. Now, on our info file, we're gonna look for the section for her. And I'm gonna copy paste on its corresponding cells. Again, this one next to it, because here and here we're gonna insert photos, and here this text, and this other text. Now let's create a table for him. Let's select the main table, click anywhere, select table main, Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V to paste it. Now I'm gonna delete this information. Just select the text and delete. If I click outside, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna rename, instead of for her, it's gonna be called for him, enter. So now this table, as you can see, is called for him. Okay, now the text, we're gonna change the alignment. For this one is gonna be horizontally to the center and vertically to the middle, because these are photos. And here we're having text, so it's gonna be horizontally to the left and vertically to the top. Let's look on our info file the information for him. So I'm gonna copy and paste the text to each one of the cells. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. And finally, copy and paste. When I click outside the main table, then we can shrink it. Look, it shrink. It had some enters. I deleted them, so it shrink. Later, we're gonna insert these photos. So far, we need to save all, so everything is saved.